After that class and also the documentation part also, I will take care of that work. I will also share the documentation as well. Yeah. So first of all, thanks everyone for joining the class. So it's very long wait. So really appreciated. So thanks for joining the BTP class for today. Today is our first class. So we are going to just start today, just introduction. Why? Because why we are going to start only introduction, starting with introduction. Here in our team, we will call it as the team here. So everybody is new to BTP here, right? Everybody, they are interested to learn BTP. First of all, what is BTP? So few people they are aware of. So few people they are not sure what is BTP here, right? So BTP is the full form is Business Technology Platform. So SAP is providing this platform. This is a platform as a service. Platform as a service called the PaaS. Platform as a service. So in SAP, in 2021, starting of the 2021, they have introduced a powerful solution for the customers, for business customers. This BTP platform they have introduced. So why they have introduced this BTP platform? We have many platforms are in the market. Why I call it as the powerful solution means BTP is the one-stop shop for all you need. One-stop shop for all you need, which means for your business, to extending your business or to create new business. So this is the one of the platform where you can go ahead and purchase your related services. Then you can use your services. Suppose like take example, as I mentioned in my demo class, if you want to start any business or restaurant business, any business, you no need to you no need to go you don't need to go and place infrastructures, maintenance, approvals, all those things here. So just take a shop rent, then so you can use the food, whatever the food variety items, you can use it, you can start it. In this time, while using this rent of the shop, you can minimize your timelines, your efforts. So you can immediately you can start your business without wasting your days of time, months of time, years of time. Suppose if you want to start the real time, one of the restaurant business, what you have to do? You need to choose a one good place, right? Then you need to construct, right? You need to, so many things you have to do, right? Constructing, so manufacture, anything you have to do it here. But here, when you choose the BTP business, you no need to purchase anything here. You no need to install anything here. You no need to do anything here. It's already predefined and it's already available in the BTP, in the BTP cockpit, in the BTP, it is available. SAP is providing these services to us just for your business, whatever you need, whatever the services you need in the SAP business, just you can just log into the BTP, you can subscribe that service, you can use that business functionality for a business, whatever you need, so you can use it. That's why BTP is a platform as a service. Just they are providing the services in the platform. Just you can go ahead, whatever you required, you can choose that service, you can use it. Same as like in Amazon. So in the Amazon concept also we discussed, right? So in the Amazon, whatever you required, so all are there, one-stop solution for the Amazon. Just log into the Amazon, whatever you required, shirts, whatever you required, just log into the Amazon, book your related order, purchase your order, then the order will come to you, right? You no need to just relate it to the Amazon concept. But right, so for the new customers or existing customers, for new customers or existing customers, they can leverage BTP related services. So new customers directly they can use the cloud-based solution. Why? Because BTP is the cloud-based solution. Cloud-based solution. Some customers they want to start the new business. They don't have any infrastructure. They don't want to any software. They don't want to install anything. They don't want to do any configuration. They don't want to do anything in their on-premise systems, or they don't have anything. They want to leverage the cloud-based solutions. Nowadays, it's the cloud, right? They want to use the cloud-based infrastructure, cloud-based solutions. That time, BTP is the one solution for them, for new customers, so they can install, they can go for this one. They can go for the new customers, they can go for this BTP solutions and everything, they can directly apply. So, but my solutions, my business already in my on-premise systems. Just I want to extend my cloud-based solutions like S4HANA, success factors. I want to extend my solutions. In this case, you are the existing SAP customer. You want to build some applications in the cloud. You want to extend. That time, based upon your customer need, there are the multiple services, integration services, success factor services. The services are available in your cloud-based solutions. So you can integrate your existing systems, your existing on-premise systems, seamless integration. That's why we will call it as the seamless integration. We will integrate to your cloud-based solutions very easily. There is one more scenario. You are the new customer. You want to build the one SAP system for your business, your mobile services. You want to develop some. So that time directly you can use some automation kind of functionalities. You want to use it. So that time you can use so for new customers directly, they can go for the cloud-based solutions. In that case, BTP can help you for DB related services, whatever you want to, above platform, above related services, whatever some of the AI related functionalities. Recently, BTP introduced the artificial intelligence related services, Launchpad. So many things are there. So you can leverage this analytics cloud, so machine learning. So many things are there in the BTP to use for your business. Whatever you require, you can use list of services here, right? In both the scenarios means for existing customers and new customers. In both the scenarios, so organization wants to build a new solution. In both the scenarios, so any company, any customer, they want to build their business solutions with minimum efforts, low cost, and faster time to market. These are the main key things for the business, right? If the efforts are minimum, the cost is very less, and the faster time to market, right? They have to market all those things, right? So that's why, so some people, they don't prefer to spend the money, time things to like set up the landscape, system installations, configurations, and maintenance. In both the cases, to avoid all this kind of money, time, and everything, setup, installations, configurations, so all those things, so they are the predefined services are available in the BTP. Whatever your business is required, just you can go ahead and you can use that services. So here for managing these services will be taken care by the SAP. The infrastructure, OS, all are available in the cloud-based SAP side. Just you can go ahead and you can use that related services. That's why BTP is the one-stop shop for whatever you require for your business. You can use all. In this way, you don't need to wait for infrastructure to build it. You don't need to wait for the system installation, configuration, and maintenance activities. Just you can, with minimum efforts, with low cost, just faster time, then you can just for your business, you can use the BTP solutions, right? So suppose, yeah, there are many solutions, many examples we can say, like restaurant business. If you want to plan the restaurant business, one of the good example, then you no need to, so whatever I discussed, right? You no need to spend all those things here, right? Just to go to the BTP, suppose example, just to take the shop rent in the restaurant business only, take the shop rent, just to find out the resources, staff and everything, training it, then you can start the business in the next day itself, right? So that is so just taking the rent, just only paying for the rent only, remaining all those things are yours only, right? Here also BTP just taking the rent of the services, BTP services, either the database services or artificial intelligence services, some automation kind of things, some development kind of things, just taking the services from the SAP. They are take just rent purpose. You are taking the services. You are using their businesses and everything, right? SAP provides all the necessary resources to create your solution, business solutions. SAP is providing the all kind of services, applications to you, so that it will allow you to just to focus on building your logic. Then, so remaining all the technical things, technical aspects, scenarios, code, services, everything SAP will take care. So in this way, you can just only focus on the how can we improve your business logics and everything, so that you can take it out here. But here, our thing is as a administrator, as a administrator, what you have to perform is here. So just you need to set up the accounts here, set up the user accounts, set up the permissions like roles and responsibilities, and also subscribing the services, build the applications, integration. Suppose you are the existing customer, you need to integrate your solutions to the BTP cloud using the cloud connectors. Then in this way, you need to install the cloud connectors. You need to configure the cloud connectors. So adding the accounts into cloud connectors, account model. So suppose you have the developers, they have done the development objects, then moving the development objects from developments to quality to production using the CTMS concept. In the on-premise, we have the STMS concept. In the cloud side, we have the CTMS concept, cloud transport management. So this configuration and everything we will take care. Cloud connectors to global account. There are some accounts are there here. Those things we will discuss here. Those things here, we will discuss all those things in our classes here, right? So just introduction we are discussing here, right? So today is our first class. Just we are going with the introduction here, right? So BTP, yeah, why they have named it as the BTP here? Is it the first name or they have rebranded their name here? So let's talk about the BTP history of the BTP business here, some history. So last time we discussed, but again, let me discuss some brief discussion about the history of the BTP platform. Okay, so the BTP platform here. So SAP BTP, even though SAP BTP offering very new services and also upcoming services, everything is available in the customers here. Everything is available for customers. So everything is available in the customers here. Actually, why they have named it as the BTP in the nowadays? Previously, actually, many years back, they have introduced this solution, this cloud-based solutions. Years back, they have introduced this cloud-based solutions. They have introduced it here. The first in the platform-based solutions, in 2012, SAP entered into the PaaS market, PaaS market, platform as a service market. That time they assumed they want to NetWeaver based cloud. They have NetWeaver system they want to use in the cloud side. That's why they have introduced the NetWeaver cloud. So that's why the short name they have changed it to this one, SAP Neo, NetWeaver on demand, Initially in 2012, SAP entered into the PaaS market, like platform as a service, right? That is one of the new things they have come into the market. So that time their NetWeaver products, their NetWeaver technology, everybody know NetWeaver product, right? They want to NetWeaver product to, so NetWeaver product they want to introduce in the cloud side to use these functionalities. That's why SAP introduced the Neo concept. The short name Neo concept. Neo concept means NetWeaver on demand. NetWeaver, let me write it here. NetWeaver on demand here, right? Neo. So Neo concept here. Then after that, so the name is something slightly different in the within 1 year span. So they have changed this NetWeaver Neo, NetWeaver Cloud to SAP HANA Cloud Platform. HANA Cloud Platform, they have changed it here. Just they have renamed this NetWeaver Cloud to HANA Cloud Platform. Why? Because that time they have started implementing the HANA Cloud, NetWeaver systems and HANA. So that time we are not sure about the cloud-based solutions and everything. So they have started introducing the first into the NetWeaver systems into the cloud. That's why NetWeaver Cloud in the short code they have Neo like that they have named it here. So it's not that much successful. That's why they have renamed it to the NetWeaver Cloud to NetWeaver Cloud. They have renamed NetWeaver Cloud to the HANA Cloud Platform, HCP, right? Normally we know this name, HCP, HANA Cloud Platform, right? So later, while doing this business HANA Cloud Platform, then they have introduced the, in the 2017, they have introduced the Cloud Foundry environment. Environment means, in our language, in the layman language, environment means it's a playground. It's a playground. In this playground, we will play, right? So same as like here in this environments, so we can deploy, we can install our services in whichever environments we have to use it, you can use it. So Cloud Foundry is the one of the environment. I will explain more detail about the when our daily classes here, right? In the Cloud Foundry environment, so they have introduced in the 2017 and they have started installing the services and everything here. In 2018, in the 2017 itself, in the Cloud Foundry, whenever they have deployed the Cloud Foundry itself, so they have changed, whenever they have introduced the Cloud Foundry, maybe I will write it full name here. So they have introduced they have dropped this HANA platform, right? Why? Because Cloud Foundry environment they have introduced. So they have dropped in the 2017, they have renamed, just removed. They have dropped their HANA, they have dropped their HANA platform. Then they have introduced the SAP Cloud Platform, that we will call it as the SCP, right? They are changed this one. It's not dedicated to only HANA based solutions. We can also leverage other databases solutions also. That's why it's not only HANA cloud based platform. Just they have changed, they have dropped the HANA name in 2017. They have introduced the SCP. Maybe few people they are aware of about the SCP, right? SCP Cloud Platform, right? So before that, it is the HCP, HANA Cloud Platform. Then they have changed it to the, rebranded to the, in 2017, they have changed it to the, so SCP, right? At the same time, in the next year, they have installed the ABAP environment, means ABAP based systems for developers who wants to do the ABAP related developments. So they can install this ABAP environment, right? And also in 2020, the schema environment. So it's mainly for the AWS Kubernetes solutions, Kubernetes. So they have introduced this 2020 environments. So then 2021, which I explained, right? BTP they have introduced, right? When they have introduced the BTP in 2021, they have the SCP Cloud Platform, right? Cloud Platform. So they have rebranded. They have rebranded their name to SAP, one technical name, SAP BTP. So why they have rebranded? What is the reason, right? Why they have rebranded their solutions? Why? Why means, so I will tell you the one example, right? So initially you established one chocolate shop, right? One chocolate shop. Initially, SAP also started slowly only cloud-based products, cloud-based solutions only. Initially, they think and they have changed their naming conventions to the up to SAP Cloud Platform. They are changing, same as like chocolate shop, right? Later, you got new things. Why should I maintain? Why should I purchase? Why should I sell only chocolates? Why can't I do for biscuits? Why can't I do for the other products, right? So shop means it's for all, right? That's why, so instead of chocolates, instead of biscuits, giving the only one naming convention, for meaningful naming convention, they have changed it to the BTP, Business Technology Platform. That's why the BTP name into coming to the picture from SCP. SCP to they have rebranded their name to the BTP. One meaningful name. Why they have introduced? Why? Because when they have introduced the BTP, that time they are not only one business, they are not only one business here, they are in the cloud business, they are in the database related topics, they have introduced some other above related functionalities, some other low code no code development integrations, success factors, Ariba. There are many things they have introduced in the cloud based solutions. So for this all these names, the this SAP cloud platform is not the good name, they have think like this, right? So they have in 2021, they have rebranded SAP Cloud Platform. They have rebranded to the SAP Business Technology Platform here, right? So originally, originally, originally they have focused on the providing the cloud-based solutions only. Only SAP providing the only cloud-based solutions only, so that for business, whoever want to type, so they have for cloud-based solutions. So this is that's why they have named it to the SAP Cloud Platform. So later, some customers started using some customers started using the platform, providing the customers started using the platforms and SAP cloud infrastructures, and offering the more platforms to the SAP cloud services, also some technology related services, application development related services, integration analytics SAC, and cloud ALM. So there is a many services, many broader range of offering. They are offering the many broader range of services they are offering to the customers. So it's not like it's not just about the cloud. SAP decided to rebrand their platform to the BTP, Business Technology Platform. So that's why they have rebranded the name, they have changed it to the BTP. But before BTP, we have the SAP. That time they are providing only cloud-based solutions, cloud-based solutions. So then later they're providing all kind of services and everything to the customer, platform, OS, infrastructure, network, everything they are providing, development areas, everything they are providing. Then the name is not good enough. So that's why they have changed it to the SAP. This name, they have changed it to the customers to understand this platform is not limited. The BTP platform is not limited to the cloud. Just it's a various technologies to help to the business with their overall technology need. So that's why they change it to the BTP. As of now, it's a BTP only. In the future, I also don't know whether they will change or not. But to summarize, SAP rebranded their cloud platform to the BTP to better reflect into the market, right? It's not only limited to the cloud-based platform, it's for all. It's for all kind of digital solutions, like mobile digital solutions means you are aware of AI, data analytics, mobile applications, and more, right? So these are that's why the name into coming to the picture here. The name came to the picture here. That is the main thing of the how they have rebranded their services and everything. So let's like the last sentence we are talking about they are providing the many services and solutions they are providing. So let's talk about the services and solutions into the here. So SAP BTP, they are mainly into they are mainly the services solutions they have categorized into the mainly five pillars, five services, right? That we will call it as the five pillars for the BTP. So five pillars for the BTP, right? So what are those five pillars for the BTP here? So right, so that's I already think we little bit we discussed about in our demo class. Just So in the introduction class also, I'm just giving the some information about that BTP services and solutions here. So the first pillar, they are mainly on the application development related services here. Application development means application development means, so we have some tools are available to build the codes, right? Applications, suppose like, so there are some services in the BTP side, like SAP build work zone, Fiori apps related, so studio mobile applications, right? Some development management services, DevOps related services, cloud CTMS is the DevOps related services, right? So then also alerts, notification, automation kind of services. Those all are comes under the, they have categorized into the development services, application development related services, right? Suppose when you go to the service marketplace, when you go to the software catalog, then when you are downloading the softwares, they will alphabetical wise, they will categorize. Yes, for all SAP related services, S4 HANA, like, so all SAP related softwares, you can download it from the S, E for ERP, H for HANA, like that, how you categorize it into the alphabetical wise. Here in the BTP side also, if anything, they have, so all the development related things they have categorized it into the this development pillar. That is called the application development pillar. So that's why they are providing the one pillar that is called the application development pillar. The second one is called the automation. Actually, they are mainly on the automation kind of things here. So SAP builds automation, right? Workflow managements, right? RPA, chatbots, robotic process integration automations, right? The process automation, business process automations. There are many services are there in the BTP to automate your business to business functionality. So normally, if you want to book the ticket, suppose like in the IRCTC, if you want to book the ticket, what you have to do? So just example I'm giving here. Let's wait for some 1 minute. So normally, suppose if you want to book the ticket previously, just we have to go to the here, you need to book it out here. Now there is a one chatbot SAP introduced here, that is called the Ask Disha 2.0. So here you can ask the this Disha, so that whatever you want, just you can ask here. Then here they have automated this kind of functionalities, also booking the ticket functionalities also. So like this, not this is not only one example here. So many ways, if you go to the maybe hospital services, maybe if you open the any site, in the right side, in the below bottom, you will get the one chat bot. That is, we will call it as the chat bots, right? That kind of many functionalities, automation kind of functionalities also SAP introduced in their BTP platform. So automation side, they are only on the development side, and also they are in the integration side also. Some Ariba integrations, success factor integrations, right? So messages, CPI integrations, right? Integration suites, so events. So there are the many things they have integrated. So these integration related services, they are in the integration related pillar, right? So like this, they have categorized their services into the 5 types here. So previously, in 2020 up to 2022 July, I guess, if I remember correctly, they are only in the DB services, data and DB analytics services here, data analytics services, right? So in the previously they are only main 4 pillars here. Recently they have introduced the one more pillar, that is called the AI, artificial intelligence services. In July 2022, they have one company that is called the Ask Data. So they have sell this company, like sorry, they have integrated into this company. They have integrated into the company into the SAP. Then they have introduced the AI core artificial intelligence launchpad services, and some of the business services they have introduced into the market in 2022. But in the recently, So they have introduced the artificial intelligence services also. When my previous batches, I explained only 4 pillars. Why? Because the time AI is not available in the BTP side. Now it's in the 5 pillars. Why? Because they have they have developed all kind of work. They have done it. Those services are available for customer. That's why they have added one more pillar, that is called the AI pillar. So they have categorized it into the 5 main pillars nowadays. That is called the application development, automation, integration, and data analytics related services. Databases means we have the HANA database, HANA cloud, and Sybase, ASC database, and also SAC analytics means SAP analytics cloud. Also, it is available as a service in the BTP environment. So, sir, what is mean by BTP environment? The starting of the class onwards, now we are discussing about the environments. So what is this BTP environments? Environments is like just is referred to the actual platform as a service. Actual platform as a environments are in the BTP. Normally we discuss BTP service are the platform as a service. In the BTP, if I go one step before, here in the BTP, environments are the platform as a service. In this BTP environments, here in this ground, normally I think I mentioned a few minutes back, environments are the playgrounds, right? Playgrounds. So in these environments, we will deploy, we will run, we will manage our applications, everything. Suppose you want to deploy the one application, then in these environments, you have to deploy it. So if you want to manage your services, you want to support your services, you want to run your services. So environments are the major base here. To in these environments, you have to build your applications, you have to manage your applications, you have to run your application in these environments, right? So it kind of as playground. So each environment, there are some specific cloud providers are supporting here. So they are the cloud providers, each environment they are supporting here, like AWS, Azure, so then GCP, then IBM Cloud, Alibaba Cloud. So these are the environments. In these environments, so these are the reasons in these environments, you will deploy your services. Which one is near to your current data center or your business? So then you can deploy, you can run your business on any one of the cloud provider. They are providing the solution. Just you can install your service on their cloud providers. Then you can use for your business here, right? So that is the more we will get into our topics next. There is one topic we have list of environments. So that times we will discuss more on the environments. Just environment means just you can remember the playground. How we will go to the playground and we will play all kind of sports related tasks and everything, right? We will perform same kind of work. We will do it in the environments. That's why it's kind of playground. Environments is the playground. So maybe some people they asked me previously, they asked for 2-3 questions they asked me. So our friends, they asked me some questions in the BTP side. Sir, what is the BTP makes different? Why it is different to the others? So why we have to use the BTP first of all, right? So as you know, you got some information. It's a cloud-based solution, one stop for all the solutions. Many kind of services they are providing. This kind of 5 services they are providing. So you don't need to install, you don't need to configure, you don't need to integrate it. Just you can go ahead and take the service as a rent, then you can use it, right? So you can use it, right? So just you can use it, you can use for your business, same as like restaurant. Suppose, so same as like restaurant. So what makes SAP BTP is different here? SAP BTP is different. What makes? There are the mainly 3 things here. One is the BTP offers the word maybe I can say this word like a wide variety of scenarios. BTP offering a wide variety of scenarios around the integration. You can create it that kind of extensionability they are so they are giving, they are offering. So that's why there are many business services they are arranging for the customers to utilize their businesses. So to meet customer demand, they are providing the more services till they are developing the more business scenarios to the customers. So that's why for easily integration, so easily integration purpose. So this is the one of the different feature in the one of the different feature in the United. Why? Because it's offering the more varieties of solutions here. The second one, what it makes different is kind. So it's not like that in the platform, the course, just simply why we have to use the BTP means SAP is offering the varieties of like whatever your business needs, a wide varieties of solutions SAP is offering to you. So that is the reason. That is, am I audible, right? I see my headphone is fluctuating.
Yes, you are.
Yeah, you're audible. Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, thank you. Maybe because I can see screen in the screen, my headphone is changing. Okay, sorry. Yeah. So one is the variety of solutions. It's improving the business customers and improving. So, and also one more is the SAP BTP is designed. It's not only for the business transformation. It's mainly for the entire your business you can transformation. It's not only just technology. It's not only just technology or optimization. Entire your business transformation can be performed here. Entire your business transformation you can perform it here. So these features are available in the so in the BTP. So it's a main focus on improving the your business outcome, which companies can achieve the outcome, the business can outcomes can achieve it here, right? So that is the reason they are offering the some analytics related services, right? Scenarios, focused developments. So rapidly you can build your immediately fraction of seconds we can build your applications. So extend your SAP business applications. So content, there is a pre-packed content is available in the BTP services. You can use it here so that so rapidly, fastly, you can improve your business outcome. Your business outcome will improve it here. So that's why they have named it as the business centric. Business centric. So business centric. So the third one is called the so one is the United means list of wide varieties of solutions there. So arranging to the business. So here not only arranging the services, entire your business you can transform your business to the so your transform cloud-based solutions, and also you can improve the your business outcome after moving to the here. And also second one is the flexibility, right? So flexibility. So the word why I call it as the flexibility here, flexibility. So the flexibility means for every company needs a one flexibility when it comes to the how they can deploy the services, how they can run the business process and IT systems, servers, infrastructures, data centers, everything. Everybody when you want to initialize their business, everybody so they have one thought in the mind, how can I maintain my IT systems, my business process, my developments, how can I maintain all those things. So here, because of the BTP is open for the organization, right? Which means open for the organization means flexibility. BTP is providing the flexibility to the customers so that the customers can choose the how to build, extend on the hyperscaler or cloud or infrastructure data center on their own on-premise centers, wherever you want to build it. You can use the SAP BTP so solutions flexibility. You can use it to improve your business. So it's customer wish how you want to choose your build your applications, how you want to use extend your applications is a customer interest. So that's why I make it as a flexibility. Why it's very important, why we need to choose means so flexibility. They are providing all kind of wide varieties of scenarios, business process, everything to the customer. And and also there is providing some analytics services, all those things and everything, pre-packed content. pre-packed services, pre-packed code, low code, no code, and also all those things are available. And also flexibility. No need to waste your time on the installing the services, installing the building the services, management parts, no extra cost, team structures, separate data center. You no need to do that one. So just to flexibility giving to the customers, just you can choose in which data center you want to, which data center means either which cloud environment you want to build your systems. You can build your systems, then you can use, you can achieve your business results. So this is what I want to deliver this content today, just for introduction. It's not the real class, just for introduction, why it is very important BTP, how the BTP, they have changed, they rebranded their environment to the BTP platform, and also what are the main services they are providing to the customers. First of all, what is BTP? BTP is a platform as a service. They are providing the platform to the customers so that they can run their business in their platforms. Depends upon the business scenario, which business scenario you want to use it. You can use the respective service. You can use your business, either existing customers or new customers. So they can leverage their business into in the BTP platform, in the BTP platform. That's why we will call it as the BTP as a platform, as a service for the customers. Okay. So any questions from anyone here?